Hello, it's Rosebud, and in today's video I will be making an avocado face mask. That's avocado face mask to clear my skin, as avocado contains natural oils that deeply penetrate the skin to nourish, soften and hydrate, which may reduce fine lines and wrinkles and help keep skin smooth. Avocado contains vitamin E and C and many other vitamins, which brightens the skin. So first we need to cut the avocado in half and scoop out into a bowl. I'm only going to use half the avocado, as this will be enough to cover the face and neck area. The other half I'm going to eat, as they're a delicious source of fibre. Avocado does have to be used really quickly, but you can store this face mask in the fridge for up to 3 days. Okay, just mash the avocado until smooth, and I'm going to add to that 1 teaspoon of honey. You don't want to add too much honey, otherwise it will be too runny. Yes, this avocado contains compounds that may help protect your skin from sun damage and inflammation. You can use a brush, but I'm going to use my fingers. Found in avocados help increase skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Okay, just leave on your face between 20 and 30 minutes and wash off with warm water. And yes, that has left my skin feeling smooth and moisturised as well. So if you've got dry skin, this is a really good face mask to use. Avocado is very high in nutrients. They contain more potassium than a banana. Did you know that? A 3.5 ounce, that's 100 gram. I like to eat mine with a drop of apple cider vinegar. I also like to mix in with salads as well. Lovely. Avocado tend to be rich in fibre, about 7% by weight, which is a very high compared to most other foods. I'm now going to show you another avocado face mask which you can use as well. Okay, so again, slice the avocado in half and scoop out . I'm going to add a little bit of lemon, or you can also use egg whites as well, and I think that's what I've got here. So either lemon or egg whites or both. This will also help brighten and freshen your face. Using a brush, apply to the face, leave on for 20 and 30 minutes and wipe off with warm water. Nice and smooth. I'm now going to apply coconut oil. This is very good moisturiser as well. So there you go. As you can see, it's left my skin really smooth, and so this is a really good face mask, cheap and effective to use. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like if you found it useful, and one other thing, don't forget to drink plenty of water as well. That also helps to hydrate the skin and clears any impurities. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Yeah, bye for now.